Hello and welcome to another episode of Taco Napkin Math by Smarty Pants Tutoring. I'm Dr. P, and today we're going to master adding fractions. Let's imagine that you have a fraction that has the same denominator. For example, 1/4 plus 2/4. In this case, I treat the denominator like a pair of handcuffs, lock them down, and drop them directly into the holding cell. Don't need to do anything else with the denominator, just lock it into place. That frees us up to deal with the top number. Who can tell me what the name of the top number is? The bottom number of a fraction is called the denominator. If you can't remember which is which, remember the bottom number, D for down. Who can tell me what the top number is? So we add the top numbers together and we get 3/4. So very simple when you're dealing with the same denominator. But if you have a different denominator, let's say 1/4 plus 1/2, then you have to look at something known as the lowest common denominator. So with that, we explore our multiples of 2 and our multiples of 4 to find the lowest number both of these have in common. So 2, 4, 6, this is your times tables, right? 4, 8, 12. You can do more, but generally you can find the answer in the first few very often. So here we can see 4 is the lowest number that multiples of 2 and 4 have in common. So now we have to translate that over here to these denominators. So we have to ask ourselves 4 times what will give us 4? Oh, 4 times 1. And whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So we multiply the numerator. Hopefully you got it. In the top number here, that's our numerator. And then down here, 2 times what is going to give us 4? 2 times 2, correct. And then again, we multiply the top number or numerator as well. So let's clean this up, okay? Let's bring these down. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. We can lock those into place, drop it into our little holding cell, add across the top, and just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you have mastered adding fractions. Congratulations. Thanks for joining me, Dr. P, for Taco Napkin Math, where we serve up bite-sized math solutions, one taco napkin at a time. See you next bite.